Hello, dear brothers and sisters. Hope that you are having really good time. Today, in this video, I try to understand the most important thing. What is the thing actually we need for continue our journey? Actually, so what is the thing? The thing is very important. Just focus on yourself. Just focus on your works. Don't focus to other thing. What's going on there and here. Just don't focus anything else when unnecessary to your life. Actually, for your lives. So before I start the video, I try to understand you the most important thing. The thing is, sometimes people don't believe you. Sometimes you will be distracted. People don't believe you. People don't trust you. People don't actually appreciate you. People ignore you. That time you should work on yourself. Don't focus to other people. And today in this video, let me share one thing very clearly. What is the thing? The thing is try to focus on yourself. And sometimes ask me, brothers, how many hours do you practice actually? How many hours do you practice for your speaking journey actually? So, brother, I always try to my level best. I never ever count how many hours I practice in a day. I never ever count because I always try to enhance my speaking English. I always try to improve my level. I never count how many hours I practice actually. So, dear brothers and sisters, I hope you got my point. Thanks for this video. All the best.